Good morning, all of you. Okay. Long, long, long. Short, short, short. Long, long, long. Short, short, short. Near, near, near. Far, far, far. Good morning, Adya. How are you? Okay, so tell me which book is long? Okay, which pencil is short? And which scale is long? And which book is short? And which pencil is long? Okay, very good. Morning, Bhavneet. How are you? Okay, so now tell me which chair is near to you and which chair is far to you? Okay, very good.